teach you how to draw a Valentine's Day bee. So first you're going to need these kinds of crayons. A red, a yellow, a light blue, and a pink. And to draw, you could always use a pencil, but I use a Sharpie. If you're using a pencil, you'd also need a black crayon as well, but I'm going to use my Sharpie for any of the black that I need today for my bee. So to start our bee, we're going to first draw a heart. So I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, and I'm going to draw a little heart. Okay, then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw an oval. I'm going to try and match it the best I can. Just like that. I'm going to draw a little stinger right here. Okay. I'm going to draw the lines of the bee. I'm going to do about 3 or 4 lines. I'm going to start, do like one right there, and I'm going to connect it. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker too. Okay, now I'm going to do the eyes and the smiley. I do eyes like this. I just go around and a little line, around and a little line. Do a little mouth there. And I'm going to also do some arms. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line here for an arm. Maybe make it a little bit thicker because the little bee's holding the heart. And then I'm also going to draw one right here, just like that. Okay, so little bee's holding the heart. Now I'm going to draw the antenna. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and I'm going to have a heart here, and another line that curves up, and I'm going to draw a heart on top there too. The heart antenna. Then the bee has 2 little wings, so it's almost like a teardrop shape. Go up and around. And this one's going to be behind it, so I'm going to go up and around, and I'm going to stop right there. Then I'm also going to do some lines. One here. It does not extend all the way out though. And then another one here, just like that. And then I'm going to draw some dashes that will go in a little loop. Okay, so there's my bee. And now I'm going to color. This is my favorite part. So here we go. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had so much fun drawing this Valentine's Day bee. For more how to draw pages and coloring pages, you can always visit my website, carolinecassidyart.com. And I also have a drawing book, How to Draw a Little Bit of Everything, a fun drawing book for kids by me, Caroline Cassidy. Also, you can look on my channel for more drawing videos. I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.